So how many of you are familiar with Quantum Corporation? Anybody? Anybody? So you know that we do what? Tape?
Storage.
Yes, data storage. Well, we do a full data management platform. So we've been around since 1984. So we used to produce hard drives. We started the tape business with LTO. We've evolved our business into a full data management platform. So we're one of the veteran products in the media and entertainment industry when it comes to providing high performance throughput to primary storage and then sharing that data across multiple different subsystems, like a Cloudian object storage solution. So some of the issues that are facing the media and entertainment space is just the exponential increase in storage capacity. So with new data frame sizes, with pixel sizes, with data frame rates increasing, the amount of storage that companies need to manage is just exploding. It's completely getting out of control. So here's an average look at what kind of content is being created. So with HDTV, with 537 gigabytes per hour, that fills up one 12 terabyte drive. So this is for 3 different streams over 8 hours. So this is a pretty common thing in the industry to capture this amount of content. So with HDTV, that was only one 12 terabyte drive. You go to 4K with UHD, suddenly you're at 13 12 terabyte drives. You want to go to 8K and start delivering the new wave of content, you're going to be up to 129 12 terabyte drives. And that's just raw capacity. That doesn't, you're going to need to protect that data. You're going to need to replicate that data. So this is just kind of an example of why you're going to need this amount of capacity in data management. So some of the other challenges, we need to be able to have accessibility to all that data no matter where it lives. We're going to need high performance. So 8K workflows demand very high throughput. You need to have a tiering approach so that you can have your high performance media, you can have your cost appropriate media, you can leverage object storage, and you can leverage the cloud. You need capacity and scalability. There's our friends at Cloudian right there. You need density and efficiency, and most of all, you need better value. Total cost of ownership and return on investment. So that's what Quantum Corporation, where Quantum comes in. I guess I'm not forwarding this correctly. Here we go. So here's our scale-out storage portfolio. So Quantum allows you to have our Axelis data management platform for primary storage, including NVMe storage that delivers extremely fast performance so that you can do multiple streams of 8K editing on your primary storage. And then we leverage hybrid storage to move that to a second tier. Our single namespace can be stretched across all of these devices, including the object storage from Cloudian, into the public cloud, and onto tape. So believe it or not, people are still using tape. All of that capacity that I just talked about means that people are starting to look at the economics of tape again. We did an analysis of Amazon Web Services and how much it costs to store your data for 3 years. It turns out tape is 6 times less expensive than the cloud. So with the increasing amount of data that's out there, people are starting to rethink tape. So you need it to be fast as well. So our scale-out NAS solution is 3 to 10 times faster than your traditional NAS solutions. So we allow you to have the sharing of a NAS solution, but the performance of a SAN, all in one solution. Up to 12 gigabytes per second per client, and up to 1 million IOPS per node. All right, so here's a look at our example architecture featuring our Cloudian object storage for the archive tier. So on the left there is our QXS hybrid storage from Quantum Corporation. We're leveraging the new Mellanox switches with 100 gig Ethernet. We've got our new partnership with Accelero, leveraging their NV Mesh software that allows us to deliver performance out to your high-performance workstations and allow that multi-stream 8K content editing, at the same time sharing that content with lower speed clients like your 1 gig or 10 gig clients on the network, regardless of operating system. So our whole data management platform allows all of these stages to remain on one single global namespace. The scale-out parallel file system allows us to manage that data across each one of these tiers. We've actually certified with Cloudian, so we can actually manage that data as well. So what that means is that you can actually recall that data out of your Cloudian storage and serve it back out to your NAS clients. Our file system will actually manage that across the entire system. You can even use tape or the cloud and still have that single global namespace. So one of the knocks on Quantum, we're a veteran in this industry. All of the large production sites use us. Disney, Deluxe, Technicolor, some of the largest sites in the industry are using Quantum StorNext file system. And one of the knocks that we've had is that we kind of have a very high price point to get into our platform. So what we've done is we've created the Excelis Foundation. So you can start for under $25,000 with 48 terabytes in a NAS solution. So you have easy 10 gig or 1 gig Ethernet connections into this system, and it's very simple to scale this. So we can actually start very small, sub 25K, and then you can grow this as large as you need to, and always keep your data on the most cost-appropriate platform. So data accessibility, performance, and capacity management, leveraging our partners at Cloudian as well. Thank you very much.